today's video, I'm going to slaughter goat. So the goat is calling me. So he is very much excited. So now I gonna wear my apron, my favorite apron. And of course our knife. We also have gloves. Right. Ay, balik. Oh my God. Already pencil. So gloves, the left side. The goat is very much excited. He is calling me. Oh, Shirley, come on. Come on, I'm ready. Wow. So now I will get the goat over here. Hoy! Apilon na mag-ihaw ron! Stop. Sunoy siya, ay gana, kuan, ay gana cut your neck. Ito siya sunoy siya. Ay gana cut your head off. Ito ganina, kay ko glagot. Ganina, kay ko glagot ni mo. Come here. Oh. The goat is want a fight. Hala. Wala unsa. You are also angry? Oh, sige. Punggut. Punggut ng ulo mo ron. Lagot na ba kay ko? Sa man eh. Come here. So this is the goat that I'm going to slaughter. So I will bring it here. Come here. Oh yes, that is a pig. Don't mind the pig. Oh. What's the noise? That's noisy. Oh yes. Now I gonna slaughter you. Come here. Hello. Oh. Wait, you stay here. There is a lot of itats. There is a lot of pigs. Poop. You're strong. Oh, the goat is a bit strong. Oh. Now I gonna hang this goat over there and cut the neck because it's very noisy. Abasag din to jinsit. It's a bed. So I have to remove my gloves. Oh, look at me. Oh, madaldri. Ana. So I'm done. Oh, look at me. Okay. So I just finished slaughter goat. Oh, look at my boots. Full of blood. So I gonna remove my look at that. Ugh. It's so bloody. So that's my feet. Look at that. Oh, it's so bloody. Ug maluto na mukaon ko bro di maluto dili ko mukaon. So guys, nagkatay ako ng kambing. So ayun nilinisan nila malaking kambing.
May ulo na to ay. Say mo kuha ng ulo da.
Ang ulo nito katong giihaw ninyo te na dito sa rep.
Napa gihapon?
Og teen.
Matuwa na to.
Yang gisugpa.
Ano ito yung lami?
So guys, nagkatay ako ng kambing. So ito ipapakita ko sa inyo. So ayan sila. Nilinis nila yung kambing.